Wow, 295 subscribers. I am blown away by your love and support. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Continue to bless me with your love, and I promise to keep up the good work. If you have any suggestions for me, please write to me in the comments. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्. I'm Pratiksha Manglekar, and this is the seventh festival special video in my series of Speechcraft. We are here to celebrate Krishna Janmashtami, the auspicious occasion marking the birth of Lord Krishna, the divine incarnation of love, wisdom, and truth. This day, filled with devotion, joy, and reverence, holds a special place in the hearts of millions as we honor the life and teachings of Lord Krishna. Krishna Janmashtami is not merely a festival, it is a reminder of the timeless values and lessons imparted by Lord Krishna. Born in the Dwapara Yuga, at the time when darkness and injustice prevailed, Krishna's arrival was a beacon of hope. His life, from his playful childhood in Gokul to his profound teachings in the Bhagavad Gita, embodies the eternal struggle between good and evil, dharma and adharma. Lord Krishna's life is a treasure trove of wisdom. As a playful child who stole butter, he taught us that joy and simplicity are the essence of life. As the friend who stood by the Pandavas in their darkest times, he exemplified loyalty and righteousness. As the charioteer to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he became the guide, philosopher, and mentor who illuminated the path of Dharma. One of the most profound teachings of Lord Krishna comes from the Bhagavad Gita, where he says, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भुर मा te sangotsva karmani, which means you have the right to perform your duty, but not to the fruits of your actions. Never consider yourself to be the cause of the results of your activities, nor be attached to inaction. This verse encapsulates the essence of selfless action, urging us to perform our duties with dedication without being swayed away by its outcomes. It is a teaching that transcends time, guiding us in our daily lives to pursue our goals with sincerity and commitment while remaining detached from the results. On Janmashtami, we celebrate the birth of this divine figure with joy and devotion. Temples are adorned with flowers and lights. Devotees sing bhajans and enchantments of Krishna's life, known as Ras Leela, bring his stories to life. The Dahi Handi tradition, where teams attempt to break a pot of curd hung high, symbolizes Krishna's childhood mischief and the spirit of teamwork and perseverance. But beyond the rituals and festivities, Janmashtami is a time for introspection. It is a moment to reflect on Krishna's teachings and apply them to our lives. Are we performing our duties with the right intent? Are we standing up for truth and justice? Are we spreading love and compassion in our communities? As we celebrate Krishna Janmashtami today, let us remember that the essence of this festival lies not just in the rituals but in embracing the values that Lord Krishna stood for. Let us strive to walk the path of righteousness, perform our duties with sincerity, and spread love, kindness, and joy just as Krishna did. May the divine grace of Lord Krishna guide us all on the path of truth and dharma. Let us take inspiration from his life and teachings and let them be the guiding light in our lives. Thank you for joining me on this special episode of Speechcraft. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. My videos are released twice every week, that is on Thursdays and Saturdays at 7 am. Connect with me on WhatsApp and Telegram. The links are given in the description. The entire content of today's video is posted in the description, whether you want it for a speech or for an essay competition. Happy Krishna Janmashtami.